Hello, in this tutorial, I guide you through the steps to change your recovery phone number or add a new one to your Gmail, Google account. Step 1, open Google account security settings. Log into your Gmail account. Click your profile icon in the top right and choose Manage your Google account. In the left menu, click Security. Scroll down to ways we can verify it since you, then click the arrow next to recovery phone. Step 2, add or change recovery phone number. You will be asked to re-enter your Gmail password to confirm your identity. After verification, you can choose from the following actions. Click the trash bin icon to remove the recovery phone number if you no longer want to use it. Click Add Recovery Phone to add a new number. Click the pencil/edit icon to change your existing number. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Adding or updating a recovery phone number helps protect your Gmail account and allows you to regain access in case you're locked out. Make sure your number is current and accessible. Thanks for following along. We hope this guide was helpful. See you in the next tutorial.